Good morning to all. Today I am going to talk about exponential distribution. First of all, what is exponential distribution? The exponential distribution is a continuous distribution that is commonly used to measure the expected time for an event to occur. For example, in physics, it is often used to measure radioactive decay. In engineering, it is used to measure the time associated with receiving a defective part of an assembly line. And in finance, it is often used to measure the likelihood of the next default for a portfolio of financial assets. It can also be used to measure the likelihood of incurring a specified number of defaults within a specified time period. In mathematically, the definition of exponential distribution is the probable distribution of the time between the events in Poisson process. The mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda and the variance of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda square. For example, the length of time a person speaks over phone follows exponential distribution with the mean 6 minutes. What is the probability that the person will talk for more than 8 minutes and between 4 and 8 minutes? So given the exponential distributed with the parameter lambda equal to 1 by 6. So the exponential distribution is given by the f of x. The probability density function is f of x equal to lambda in the e power minus lambda x. If x is positive, substitute the lambda value. So f of x equal to 1 by 6 in the e power minus 1 by 6 in the x. So the first question, the probability that the person will talk for more than 8 minutes. So probability of x greater than 8. So integral of 8 to infinity f of x dx and substitute the uh, f of x value. So integral of 8 to infinity 1 by 6 in the e power minus x by 6 dx. So 1 by 6 is a constant, so take it outside and the variable is e power minus x by 6. So it's a form e power minus x dx. Integral of e power minus x dx equal to e power minus x by minus 1. So used by the formula. So the value is 1 by 6 in the e power minus x by 6 by minus 1 by 6. And the limit 8 to infinity. So substitute the upper limit e power minus infinity is equal to 0 and the lower limit e power minus 8 by 6. So minus minus plus, so the value is e power minus 8 by 6. And the probability of between 4 and 8 minutes. So the probability of x varies from 4 to 8. So the limit 4 to 8 f of x dx used by the same formula. So 1 by 6 in the e power minus x by 6 by minus 1 by 6, the limit 4 to 8. So the value is 0.25. Thank you.